Hello and welcome to the Evolution Max 4D remote control tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Evolution Max remote to better understand how to use it and to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split up into 3 different parts: remote layout and functions, menu walkthrough, and lastly pairing your Bluetooth device. To start, we're going to go over the button layout on the front face of the remote and what each of the buttons do. Then we will go over the menu to start an auto program. After that, we'll customize each massage using the different features of the chair. And lastly, we'll go over how to pair your Bluetooth device to your Evolution Max 4D massage chair. Let's begin by turning on the remote by pressing the blue power button below the display screen. This button is used to turn the chair on and off when connected to the power and when the power switch on the back of the chair is turned to the on position. Note: once on, the display will indicate a yellow warning screen after initial boot up. To continue, click OK to confirm. To the right of the power button, we have the pause button. Press this button once to immediately stop all massage chair activity. Press again to resume your massage. Below the power button, we have the home button. Pressing this button will bring you to the home screen where most of the chair settings are located. We'll return to this in part 2 of this video. Next is the auto program button. When pressed, this button will bring up a list of 12 auto programs that you can use with the start of a button. They're Sports Refresh, Extension, Rest and Sleep, Working Relief, Neck and Shoulder, Waist and Spine, Deep Shiatsu, Healthy Breath, Massage Extend, Relaxation, All Air, and Demo. In the center, you have the directional pad and the OK button. This will help you navigate through the menu, and the OK button allows you to confirm a selection. While in a program, you can use the up-down directional buttons to adjust the mechanism speed and the left and right buttons to change the airbag intensity. Below and to the left of the directional pad, you have the zero gravity and the foot roller button. This will allow you to quickly turn on or off the zero gravity or foot roller feature during any massage. The next buttons below the directional pad are the up, down, and arrow buttons. The up-down arrows are used to fine-tune the shoulder height of the back mechanism right after the initial body scan. They are also used in manual point or manual partial mode to position the back mechanism to the location you desire. At the bottom of the remote, we have the adjustment buttons for the footrest and backrest along with the 4D button. When holding down the footrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to raise or lower the footrest. You can adjust the backrest just the same. This allows the chair's backrest to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. While in an auto program or manual mode, pushing the 4D button will change the intensity of the massage. Use the lower intensity for a light tissue massage or a higher intensity for a deep tissue massage. Adjust these until you find a setting that is suitable for you. Note: in an auto program, the 4D intensity feature is set to only a variable of 3 different levels. In manual mode, you can set the 4D intensity feature to any one of the 6 different levels. Under the 4D button is the foot extend and foot retract adjustment buttons. When holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. Now let's walk you through the menu. Let's press the home button. On the screen, you will see 9 different menu options: auto, manual, airbag, Ionizer, heat, time, sounds, light, and settings. It is very easy to navigate through the different menu options. Just use the directional pad to navigate the menu and press OK to select an item. We're going to start from the top and work our way down the list. The first option is Auto. This brings up the Auto Program menu that we saw when we pushed the Auto button earlier. Each of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. I recommend trying each of them out and seeing which one is best for you. Going back to the main menu, navigate over and select Manual. This will bring up the manual menu displaying 5 different options you can adjust: Mode, Part, Width, Speed, and Roller. Let's select Mode. These are different techniques of massage that this chair offers. You can see there are 6 options: kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, sink, and 4D shiatsu. Try each of them out and seeing which one you enjoy the most. Now with the type of massage selected, let's select part. Here you have 3 options: whole, partial, and point. If you select whole, this sets the rollers to utilize the entire L track in the massage chair. That is from your neck to lumbar. For a more focused massage, select partial. This settings moves the rollers to a 6 to 8 inch area where they currently are on the L track. For a more targeted area, select the point option and going back to the display screen, use the up and down adjustment buttons to move the rollers to any desired position on your body along the L track. Returning back to the manual menu, there are 3 more settings to adjust. To change the width of the rollers, simply select width and you will see 3 options: a wide, medium, and narrow. If you want to change the speed of the rollers on the L track, you will adjust those settings in speed on the menu. Here we have 6 different options to choose from, 1 being slowest and 6 being fast. And lastly, if you want to change the speed of the foot rollers, select roller and choose from any of the available speed options: 1, 2, 3, and off, 1 being slowest and 3 being fast. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual menu, let's return to the main menu and continue exploring the other features of the chair. Once back at the main menu, navigate all the way to the right and select Airbag. This is where you can adjust the airbag controls to get a great compression massage. After you select Airbag, you will see 2 options. These are part and force. Select part. This will allow you to choose between 5 different options: full, arm and shoulder, back and waist, leg and foot, and buttock. Using the directional pad, choose an option and press OK. Note, you can select and deselect more than one option. However, when you select full, this will override all individual selections. Once selected, you can change the intensity by using force. This will show 6 different options, 1 through 5, and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want them off, simply select off and they will be turned off entirely. With the airbag set to your desired intensity, let's turn on the air ionizer. Here you have the option to turn on or off the air ionizer within the chair. Going back to the home menu, let's bring on the heat. Navigate to heat and select OK. Here you will be able to choose from any of the available heat options, 1 through 3 and off, 1 being warm and 3 being hot. Back in the main menu, the next menu option is time. In the time settings, you will see 3 choices: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Selecting one of these will extend your massage session length. Keep this setting in mind when you create your own custom massage to set the length of session desired. Now let's head back to the home menu to go over our last 3 menu options: sounds, lights, and settings. To better enhance your massage, select sounds in the home menu. Here you will see 4 different menu options: sounds, volume, beep, and demo voice. In sounds, you will see 10 different nature sound options: white noise, ocean surf, crickets, rain, nature, airplane, car ride, fireplace, thunderstorm, and windy night. Note, to power the speakers, Bluetooth must be turned on for sounds to properly work. To change the main volume, navigate down and select volume. There are 5 options to choose from, 1 through 5, 1 which is the quietest and 5 which is the loudest. To turn off the sounds, simply navigate to sounds and deselect the sound that you previously chosen. The next settings is beep. Here you can see the option to turn on or off the beep sound effect. Last in the sound settings menu is demo voice. To turn on or off the voice from the demo auto program, select demo voice and turn on or off. Now let's head back to the home menu to explore the light settings. Once selected, you will see 3 different setting options for lights: theme, colors, and brightness. In theme, you have 6 different options to choose from: solid, which is a single light; breathe, which is a single color that dims and brightens on a loop; wake up, which is a blue enriched light gradually increasing in brightness; wind down, is the colors of a sunset gradually decreasing in brightness. Multi-wave, all colors of the rainbow morphing into each other. And multi-rotate, which is colors rotating from one to another. The next setting is colors. Here you will have the option to choose from any of the available 8 different colors. There is ice blue, red, yellow, lime, green, cyan, blue, and purple. And the last menu option is brightness. Here you have the option to choose between any of the available brightness options, 1 being the dimmest and 5 being the brightest. To turn off the lights, simply navigate to Themes and deselect the theme that you selected previously. This will turn off all the lights within the chair. Now let's return to the home menu and explore the settings. Navigate to the last option in the home menu and select Settings. Here you will see language, voice, brightness, buttons, beep, Bluetooth, and sleep mode. Let's start with language. This chair has 4 different language settings to choose from: English, Chinese, Japanese, or Korean. Press the OK button to select a language. Next is voice. This chair has built-in intelligent voice command and control settings. Here you have the option to turn the voice control setting on or off. If voice control is on and you would like to get a list of commands, navigate down to Commands and select OK. This will bring up a list of different commands you can choose from. Next is brightness. Here you have the option to choose your desired remote control screen brightness. You can choose from high, medium, and low, high being very bright and low being very dim. Once you have your desired brightness, next is buttons. Here you can turn the remote key backlight on or off. Next is beep. Just like in the sound settings, here you have the option to turn on or off the remote control beep sound effect. The last 2 settings are Bluetooth and sleep mode. In Bluetooth, you can turn on the Bluetooth settings on or off. Note, to power the speakers, Bluetooth must be turned on for sounds to properly work. To connect your phone to the chair, this setting will need to be turned on. To pair your Android or Apple device, we'll go over that in part 3 of this video. And last is sleep mode. Here you can select the desired sleep mode option on or off. When sleep mode is on, the chair will stop in the reclined position after auto programs. When sleep mode is off, the chair will return to a fully upright position after each auto program. Now let's pair your phone to your chair so you can enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's premium Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Evolution Max remote. Next, make sure you have the Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Evolution Max in the available device section on your Bluetooth settings. Select it and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Evolution Max remote control, you can now fully enjoy your Evolution Max 4D massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.